I'm going right here.
With Paddy and Maeve taking a break, I'm going to show Shay how to make a spear using a rock from along the shore.
Somebody told me that you love making stuff.
Yeah.
And spears and swords, bow and arrows and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But when I was walking around, I found a lovely stone with a lovely shape. And the first thing I thought about was that you and me can maybe make our very own primitive spear. We will use this as a spearhead to go into this stick. But what we'll use this for is, we'll use it for grinding, and we'll use it as an anvil to gently shape it, because we don't want to break it. So if you want it for a few minutes.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you this, and you can work here, so you get comfortable.
Okay.
While Shay works on the stone, I'm going to carve a notch out at the top of one of our walking poles.
You can imagine thousands of years ago, Stone Age people trying to catch a meal. Not one difference, really. Right, let's take a look at that. Oh, you really pared that one down. Let's see, can we get that in there? Voila. We want to gently tap that in now. We don't want to upset it. And if you wanted to give that a little sharp and just pint it up a bit, that'll be really cool.
Okay.
And then you're ready to hunt.